You ugly.
You ugly. You kurwa. Nggak nyambung lagi, nggak ini, nggak connect. Alay ente, rambut ente, your hair is yellow. Yellow, yeah.
Я финский.
You cannot speak English.
Я мate.
You cannot speak English.
Я финский пшевод, Алина Мор.
Apa sih?
Коронавирус.
Coronavirus. You have coronavirus. Yeah. You
Коронавирус. Yes.
Yeah.
Коронавирус.
you lockdown. Yeah. Lockdown.
Коронавирус.
Oh, you wash your hand. Yeah. Lagi praktekin healthy protocol ya. You don't understand what I'm speaking. Payah
Do you
ente.
speak English?
Yes,
Do you
I am
speak
speak English. Dari tadi aing ngomong bahasa English. I can speak English. Can you speak English, boy? No, you cannot speak English. Payah ente. Ganteng doang, nggak bisa bahasa Inggris. Wah ini bos. Wah, YouTuber nih. Ente YouTuber
Hello.
Hello, are you YouTuber?
No. No.
No, what are you doing? You're singing
I know.
with your microphone?
No.
So you disco aja.
Mom?
Kenapa? Panggil maknya suruh ngangkat jemuran. Nah, no. Salju.
Hola, my friend.
Hola, my friend. Are you YouTuber?
No. You like hip hop?
Hip hop? No. It is just covering my forehead because my forehead is very large.
Okay.
So it can.
I like your hat.
Oh yeah.
It's beautiful.
I like your gaming chair. Is it
Thanks.
expensive?
Can you repeat?
Is it expensive, your gaming chair?
No.
Really? Tuh, tadi bawa bapak tuh. Wah, mantep. Nice glass.
Bro, wait.
Nice
Don't
nice glasses.
Watch me, nigga. Watch me. Wait.
Wait, apa? Apa sih kelakuan ente? Wah, you're doing so good, so good.
I don't understand what you talk to me. I don't understand you. Where are you from?
I am from Thailand.
That you have a girl with you have girls.
You rapper ya? You rapper, hah? You like a rapper. Seekor kera terkurung terpenjara dalam gua. Rapper, lip sing, mulut pangap gitu.
I don't fucking understand what you talk to me right now.
Oh, you don't understand. So we speak in English aja ya?
Yes,
Okay. I speak English.
Very good.
Your English.
I know you speak English. I hear it.
Yeah, your English very good. Wih, Queen.
Hello.
You like Queen?
Tak, yes.
Yeah. We are the champion, my friend. Like this, like
Yes,
that.
of course.
Wow, good. Yeah. What is your name?
Sing for me, please.
Apa? What?
We are the champions, sing.
We are the champion. I cannot sing because my voice is very bad. It will hurt your ear. Lihat itu. Tuh.
Hello.
Hello.
You-
Apa? What?
You ugly.
You ugly. You kurwa.
You
Pierre
fucking
Dolce.
people.
Pierre Dolce. Kurwa.
Mati.
Ngatain gue lu. Lu kira gue bisa ngatain bahasa lu? Cengok kan lu? Tuh, waduh, handsome guy.
Ah, thank you.
Mantap.
Thank you so much.
Good. Your hair is very good. Nice.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you. Wah, your voice also very deep. You have very deep voice. Are you a radio announcer?
No.
Wah,
I'm skater.
skater. Okay, you skateboarder.
Yeah.
Skateboarding.
You're right.
At the
I'm skateboarder.
park. Wah, you jumping. What? Wah,
I'm falling.
good. You do YouTube or something? Make content for your skateboarding? No. Ntar sombong sama nggak berani bahasa Inggris. Watching movie. Ente watching movie. Sleepy. Kok silent ente watching movie main Ome TV. Ada. Udah lanjutin deh. Ente gimana sih? Ini dicuekin ini. I'm talking alone. Ngomong sendiri gue ini. Woi. Ih parah lu tadi. Ngobrol apa lu? Ngomongin gue lu ya? Iya emang gue diganteng dari sono. Gimana lagi? Hah? Dia jangan berantem. Dia jangan berantem, jangan berebut gue. Ya gue dia ada yang punya. Udah ya.
Bitte mati mai. Wanneer mai?
What are you doing there? Why black? Why the screen is black?
Mijn crème is mijn kamis. Mijn kamis?
Senin Kemis. Puase kalau Senin Kemis. Puase Senin Kemis ente. Ya Allah. Ente kelakuan ya dia aja orang Polandia ente. Ente orang Polandia.
hanya.
Iya. Tawe-tawe lagi ente nggak jelas. Ngomong yang bener apa? Mana layar gelap banget ente kayak masa depan ente tuh gelap tuh.
Makan.
Iya.
Punya berangkat.
Betul. Ente gimana sih? Mau aneh jajanin coklat payung mau? Coklat payung. Ente tahu gak coklat payung? Enak tuh coklat payung. Makan pakai susuku ame agar-agar doyan kagak ente? Ente tapi nyabut dulu di tukang pikulan tuh, nyabut. Ntar nggak dapet tadi dikasih agar sama susuku deh.
Goodbye.
Waduh, disco ya. Ente singing apaan? I am not listen nih. You don't speak sih. You use the speaker dong, mikrofon. Where is your microphone? I cannot hear you.
Alicia.
Nah, tuh. Baru gue denger.
What? Tysiąc.
Tison. Gue bukan Tison.
Tysiąc.
Tinju. Lawannya Holyfield. Tuh Tison. Dia dijoget-joget lagi. Bocil-bocil FF lagi putus internet ya. Joget-joget stres dia. Cakep lu dari Polandia ya. Dari Polandia ente.
Yes.
Polandia. Warsawa ya. Lu adanya Lewandowski bukan lu? Lewandowski. Tahu gak lu Lewandowski? Gak tahu lagi Lewandowski. Ngapain ya? Tawe ente gigi ente kayak jagung. Mau coklat payung nggak? Nih gue beliin coklat payung. Chocolatus. Do you like coklat? Yes, Silver Queen.
What?
Mau ente Silver Queen? Do you want Silver Queen? Suara inti kagak keluar, mendem kayak singkong. Inti orang mana sih? Yuk, orang Polandia. Kok kagak punya mikrofon? Inti kalah di negara berkembang nih. Mikrofon gue bagus. Gigi ente physical distancing. Iya. Yang belah sini dia marahan apa gimana? Dia aja udah deh. Udah, assalamualaikum. Orang Polandia ngira gue Cina mana ada kayak gini.
Siema.
What?
Sodam.
Apa? Sodam?
Ciba.
I don't understand what you're speaking.
Jesteś chujem.
Apa sih?
Can you repeat chuj?
Can you repeat we? What we? Maybe you mean
Repeat chuj.
repeat kui. Baby hui.
Repeat?
Repeat?
Jebać PiS. Jebać PiS.
Apa sih pas
Cała Polska.
kurwa kali kurwa. Kalau kurwa aing tahu. No.
Ej. Jebać Disa skurwysyna.
Ente mukanya kayak cilok kemarin.
Jebać Disa skurwysyna.
Azeta.
One with słowo. Jebać
Yes.
Disa.
Mona Lisa.
Jestem... Monia, mów mi Monia Liza. Monia.
Monye kali, monye.
Monia Liza.
Mona Lisa.
Monia Liza. Dzieło sztuki, które chcesz polizać.
I cannot speak Polish. I don't understand you.
Jebać Disa skurwysyna.
Bahasa beda Aiton Sena.
Jebać.
Sebat,
Jebać.
jebat,
Jebać. No mówrzesz. Jebać.
jepat.
Tak. Si. Czemu si? Yes. Jebać. Disa.
Disa.
Yes. Skurwysyna.
Kur.
Can you repeat? Kurwa.
Kurwa is bitch.
Yes. In Polish, this fuck.
Yes, I know it. Kurwa. Pierdolcie.
Yes.
I know it because many Polish girls say that to me.
Ja pierdolę.
You pierdolę?
You don't understand English?
I understand English. Yeah.
You understand Polish? Yeah?
No. Nie mówi po polski.
Co kurwa? Nie mówisz po... Kurde, nie mówi po polski? No ja... Nie mówi po polski, to jak mówisz do mnie? Dobra, słuchaj mnie.
Apa sih?
Słuchaj mnie.
Gue pengen kencing lah.
Here.
Apa sih? Kocham cię.
Kocham cię, tak. Kocham cię. Is I love you.
I love you.
Nie rozumiem po angielsku. You don't understand English?
I understand English. Why you keep asking me? If I don't understand English, I'm speaking English at the moment.
Nie rozumiem.
Waduh, YouTuber.
No.
No, you're not YouTuber.
No.
Streamers.
Microsoft Tech Support.
Microsoft apa? What?
Tech Support.
Oh, tech support. Oh, you are technician support.
Yes, yes.
Wow,
And
good.
you?
Good, good. Your job is very good. I am still a student.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
What are you studying?
I am studying communication.
What's communication?
Yes,
IT?
journalism.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
journalism. Journalist. I want to be a news anchor.
News what?
News anchor. News presenter.
Oh, I don't know that one.
Yeah, someone who deliver the news in the TV.
Ah, okay. In the TV.
Yeah, that is called news anchor.
Ah,
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Wah, you look like Mark Marquez.